Okay, so just want to go a little bit more over the Metasploit venom, because we're going to go into this at some point. I'm not too sure when. See what I feel. But basically, just got to follow these commands when we're creating a payload. Like /A to select the -A to select the architecture, then x86 because that's what we're using this time. Most of the systems now use x86. Might still get some 32-bit systems, but most of them need the x86 to run on a lower system, to run a program for a lower system on the 64-bit. So I'm not too sure if what I said was correct, but it's what to my understanding it is. Now, the platform windows, like we need to designate what platform this payload's going to be used for, and that's why we use platform windows. Pretty simple. Now, here we're designating the payload. Now, from my understanding, if we were to be creating our own, we would use this payload command, but since we are just creating an instance of it, we're just going to leave it as normal payload because we're not doing any real changes. We're just setting the local host to our IP address and then the local port to whatever port we want to use. Over here we're selecting the bad characters, the ones that we don't want in, and this F is the format. In this case I've got C. Some of you might remember that I used executable before. We're going to use C because it's a different type, and I've also got the output saving to the tmp/text.c file. Now I haven't created any of this yet, so just run this through. Okay, so that's done. Now we'll go here. Yep, got the text. This is just a bunch of so if anyone can read this or translate it for me, go ahead. But to me, it's just a whole bunch of nothing. But I get unsigned characters buff array. Might be an array of the unusable characters, but I'm not too sure. But that's what we're going to do. So yeah, hopefully we'll get into Metasploit Venom soon. I'm just not too sure where I want to go with these. I'll probably continue on with the Venom, but who knows, I might just throw in a few random stuff, like just a few more introductions before we go any more into detail with this system. And I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe if you can.